Welcome to the farm. My name's Sierra Sears. Down on the farm. Da, 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 down on the farm. Where should I go? Just everyday black farmer. Urban farmer or whatever. I will be showing you how to make fall in Oaxaca. For this cocktail, I think a blend of Mezcal would be best. I'm using Espadín and Barril blend. It's not overly smoky and aggressive to take over the cocktail. It's a floral bouquet and a milder Mezcal, which usually blends are. So I'm gonna use 1.5 ounces. Then we have Domaine Canton, which is an excellent French ginger liqueur. I think these will be really nice with the warming spices in our fall cocktail. I'm gonna use 3/4 ounce of this. I've got a local delicious apple cider, and I'm sure you can get a local apple cider from wherever you are. 3/4 of that. And now the fun stuff. We have got a Spicy Turmeric Simple Syrup. So to tie in all these fall flavors together, we're gonna use 1 ounce of this because Mezcal is very strong. We don't want the cocktail to be too bitter. Then we have fennel seed glycerin, and it's very, very sweet, licoricey, candy flavor, so you don't wanna use too much, so I'm just gonna use 1 full dropper. And last, we're gonna use Shazandra, say it. Shazandra bitters, aromatic bitters, some bitter in there, some warming spices to tie all the flavors in the cocktail together, and bitters in general for cocktails really blend together all the flavors that you're gonna be whipping around the tin. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 is usually where I go. We're gonna add some citrus. That's why we're shaking it, because we wanna whip around all the ingredients and really pulverize them so it's a well-rounded cocktail. Both citrus, lemon, and lime, 1/2 and 1/2. There's about 1/2 ounce in each half anyway. Bam! A little bit more ice. Flip it around. Rocks glass, we're gonna serve it over ice. You can use small cubes, a large cube. Either way, this cocktail has a lot going on, so you want it to sit over ice. And last but not least, for aromatics, I'm gonna use the rosemary hydrosol spray. Just 3. And for a garnish, a nice lime wheel to accentuate the citrus that's already in the cocktail. Salud.